What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to set up a Ledger Nano X. Step 1. Download Ledger Live. Make sure you install it strictly from ledger.com/Ledger Live on your desktop or mobile device. Never download from third-party app stores or unverified search ad links. Now this is one of the most common ways people get scammed. Step 2. Set your PIN code. Then select Setup as New Device and choose a unique 4 to 8-digit PIN. This PIN unlocks your physical device and protects against unauthorized local access. Step 3. Record recovery phrase. Step 3 is the most important step of all, recording your recovery phrase. Now write down all 24 words in exact sequence on the official paper sheet that comes with your device. Then complete the on-device verification by confirming each word in order. And here's a crucial warning. Never take a photo of your seed phrase and never type it into any website or app. Anyone who has these 24 words has full control of your funds. And step 4, the genuine check. Connect your Nano X to Ledger Live to run a cryptographic verification. This confirms that your device is authentic and hasn't been tampered on. Once it's verified, you're ready to add account and start managing your crypto safely.